If you guys ain't noticed, I got a little boo-boo. Got this. So I've been having like almost terrible luck this weekend. I got a flat on my rear left tire. Took it to the place to get it patched up. Bro, the place had rocks everywhere, bro. Like rocks everywhere, and my car was not moving, bro. Like my car was not gonna get in there, bro. Like it just, I tried, and there was a lot of rocks, and there was a little 3-inch hill, and my car couldn't go over it. So here we are. I paint matched it with my paint, but you guys didn't see that, so I'm actually just gonna repaint it because it's completely messed up. So also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to go follow me, CoreyFG4. I'm gonna put it right here. Go ahead and follow that. That's where I post everything first, you know, y'all get first hand. And if you already follow me on Instagram, you'll know I have new parts for the car. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram, subscribe so you can see the next video is gonna go crazy. Alright, y'all, so we don't have any sandpaper, so I'm gonna go to Home Depot or something real quick. Oh. We in here. I don't even know which one to get. 60 grit. Remove and then smooth. Do I scan it with this? I think I scan it. Oh, $10 for some sandpaper, bro. Oh yeah, I can't see this one. Alright, so we're back, and I got some cardboard. I don't know if y'all can see, but it is raining. We got our sandpaper right here, 60, then move on to 120. I don't even know if I should cut this. This should work. Okay. Okay. Ah, bro. It's getting real hot. So as you can see, I got most of, if not all of the scratches out the bumper. Still got some work to do right here. It's going well. Alright, so now that I'm done sanding it down with the 60 grit, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the 120 grit. Pretty much smooth everything out and get it ready for paint. I got this as smooth as possible, as smooth as I can make it. You know what I'm saying? Now we're going to wipe it all off and we'll get started. So I got it cleaned up, everything seems to be good. Gonna go ahead and grab my paint. It's got a little bit of primer. You want to do a first very light coat. I'm an artiste, nigga. See this shit? Artiste. Stop playing with me. Look at this, So again, the first coat is very light. You don't want to do too much. That's it, just let it dry. After you're done with all that, just sit down, have a drink, eat some popcorn. I'm back in like 15-20 minutes. sir. We getting there. I think this is my 5th coat. I think this is gonna be my last coat of black, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clear coat. My fault, y'all. Ooh. Yes, sir. That is coming out really nice. Yes, sir. Fire, 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 fire. We ain't even got the clear coat on yet, man. That shit shining, boy. Oh. Kama here, he working on his diffuser and front lip.
And my eyelids.
And his eyelids of the car, not his actual eyelids. Yes, sir. We about to transform our cars, man.
Yes, sir.
Transformer! So that was the final coat of black. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start on the clear coat. Alright guys, so the first coat of clear coat is dried. As you can see, finish is fire. Now we're at the end of the video. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks on the car in the daylight. Another coat. Remember, not too much. Bruh, it's been like 4 hours. Must be nice to fast forward.
Day 2.
Alright, y'all, so listen, I know my car dirty, but we here for the lip. But as y'all can see, this is how it came out. Glossy as Nah, this shit came out fire. Nah, you can see that shit look dope. Matching the paint. I know my car dirty and shit need a wash.
I go cap. If that's Batman, bro.
Bro, that's supposed to be Batman, bro.
You're not gonna sit here and try. Man said that
Bro.
was supposed to be Batman.
My man.
That man said that was supposed to be Batman, bro. Hey, where the eyelids? Why put the eyelids?
I think on top of your trunk.
What are you drawing now?
I'm fixing it, man.
This man said that.
Wow, you out here got done.
Man really looked at us and said that's Batman.
Brittany, look, you see my lights? They flicker and they go on and off. And you see my bike lights? They go on and off and on and off and yeah. Because I'm a cool mother. I'm cool. Okay? I'm cool. I have a 4-door SR. You know what that stands for? A 4-door sports car. You know who?
I ain't gonna lie to you, if you aim towards like a different direction, towards a different car, you feel me?
I'm gonna go right now, guys.
Oh. Okay. Alright. Right there? Alright.
He's definitely coming back. He definitely gonna smack the out of this bike.
He sees the water, so he's gonna go in the water. He gotta get his tires wet, you feel me? I'm fucking dead. Yeah, I bet. Look.
It's in the water.
Oh shit, this shit alright! Hey! Hey!
I got you.
I
Got you.
I'm gonna get you next time. Bro, why is he going around?
And we're back with the Nissan gang, Tony.
We're talking Is my lip still on?
Yeah, bro, you good.
Is my diffuser still on?
Yeah, you good? Nice and tight.
I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I thought he was about to lose it all for a second, bro. I thought. Yeah.
I'm a little tired, man. It's gonna be the end of the video for today. If you like the video, comment, subscribe. We out here, gang.
Gang, Honda gang.
Bow!
Watch me step inside and make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion. They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. Gotta drop a couple for them maggots. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic.